Three, two, one, jump!
I found your name on a folded note, left in a coat I hadn't worn in years. Ink had faded, but the words still spoke through the silence, through the tears. We were young in the amber light, trading dreams we could barely name. Now the streets are cold and the stars too bright, and I don't feel quite the same. Letters in the rain, running down like we once did. Echoes of your name, spilling secrets we had hid. And I read them all again, just to feel what might remain. Your letters in the rain. Your life still lives in an old refrain, on a dusty record song. And though the music's warped with pain, I still let it play too long. Letters in the rain, soft as twilight on my skin, falling just the same as the night you let me in. And I'd lose it all again, just to stand there once again. You're ready to win. Soft as while on my screen, falling just the same as the night can't let me in. Might lose it all again, just to feel when I can. With your letters in the rain.